Yo, what's up guys, this is Bloxd man. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to customize your blocks in Bloxd today. Oh, it is not much hard, so you all know. Okay, first open your browser and open the two links in the description down below. I will put this. First up you need to get is Magicavoxel. It's free, and second one is Blender. It's also free, so make sure to download this. Check the description and open it. Okay, I already downloaded both of this. Okay, I'ma close it and open first Magicavoxel. Okay, you will see this in, so right click to see around, left click to change, and middle mouse to zoom in, zoom out, middle mouse click to move camera. Okay, so its size is too big. Okay, I wanna change portion table, but if you want to change bed, make sure to use 16 by 16 by 16 size. To change portion table you need to use 8 by 8 size. Okay, first you're gonna do is select erase, click this cube and clean all faces like this. Okay, I'ma make my model, so portion table. Okay, okay, I just finished it, but it's looking really bad. What is this? But it's the tutorial, so okay, now you're gonna do export this model 8 by 8 by 8. Don't forget to set size to 16 by 16 by 16 if you are making model for bed. Okay, click this export button, select OBG and save it whatever you want. I'm gonna save it to desktop. Name it whatever you want because it's OBG file. Okay, now if you want you can save your project and edit it. Let me show you. Click this button, it's save button. Okay, save it. Magicavoxel and okay, I saved my file, so you can close Magicavoxel. Now this is OBG file that we save it as OBG, and this one is, I don't know what is that. Okay, this one is what we need. Open Blender. Okay, you can delete this cube and this light and this camera. Okay, now open desktop. That portion table OBG file, the logo is mine emitter, but it's OBG file. Drag it, import. It's kinda, the color just broke because the graphics. Click this button and now it's fixed. Now you're gonna do, move it to center, click this magnet, press G and Z. Oh, it's not moving to center. Let me show you how. Okay, click this side and now you can see all solids. Select model, press G and Z, and you can easily drag it. Oh yeah, it's not at all. Now it's time to move origins. This small orange thing is origin. Okay, click this options and show origins. Click this X or white side. Okay, select model, press G, Z, and move it to center. Now you can close origins. By the way, press all middle button to see around, right click, left click, press shift and alt to see around. Okay, now click file, export, GLTF, click that, and now go to desktop and save as potion table. Great, export. If you added animations it won't work, so close animations and now export. Wait, okay, now you can close Blender. If you want you can also save the project. Oh, I don't need to save it because it's already done. Okay, now this right here is the model that we created. Yeah, it's looking bad. Okay, now you can delete this one if you want, because I already finished this potion table model. Get out, get out. Okay, now create a folder, name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it tutorial pack. Open that, create another folder, name it models. Don't make a mistake. Okay, now open that and drag your model. Okay, your pack is done. Let's test it in the game. Options, texture pack. Click this. If you are using your Chromebook, just click custom, click this side and desktop, tutorial pack, upload, apply, and done. Let me show you how it looks in the game. Okay, now it's looking really small, bruh. As you can see, it's looking great while placed, but it's too small while holding. Let me show you how to fix it. Okay, open tutorial pack, models, potion table, open Blender again, and delete this cube again, and drag potion table model, import, click this button again, just select it, press S and 10, write 10, just type 10. Don't worry, it won't look too big while placed. We'll do it again. File, export, GLTF, desktop, tutorial pack, models, select this potion table, close animations, export. Okay, now you can close Blender because we finished this model. Let me show you again. Tutorial back, upload, apply. Okay, yeah, it's still good, looking great. And now while holding, kinda funny, but looking great. Yeah, Arthur should fix that. You need to make another model, name it potion table item, also for beds. Okay, that was all. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you understand. Okay, see you in next videos.